If you need assistance with Toptal, reaching out to the support team is straightforward. Follow these steps to get the help you need. Step 1. Visit the Toptal website. Go to the official Toptal website by entering the URL in your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure you receive accurate support. Step 2. Log into your account. If you have an account, log in using your credentials. This will help the support team assist you more efficiently, as they will have access to your account details. Step 3. Navigate to the Help Center. Look for the Help Center or Support section on the website. This area typically contains FAQs and resources that might resolve your issue without needing to contact support directly. Step 4. Use the contact form. If you still need assistance, locate the contact form within the Help Center. Fill out the required fields, providing as much detail as possible about your issue to facilitate a quick response. Step 5. Check your email for a response. After submitting your inquiry, monitor your email for a response from the Toptal support team. They usually reply within a reasonable time frame, so keep an eye on your inbox. By following these steps, you can easily get in touch with Toptal support and resolve any issues you may encounter.